Okay, I'm trying to make a couple of videos, just really quick videos with me explaining some things so it's similar to what we talk about in class. And these are going to be about multi-step equations with distributive property. So let's get started. When we have parentheses, I always like to distribute first. So let's start by distributing the 3 to both things inside. 3 times 2x gives me 6x. 3 times the minus 1 will be minus 3. And all of that equals 21. Separate your two sides if you like to do that. All right, now that we're here, we can start solving with just inverse operations. The goal of solving equations is to isolate the variable. I want x all by itself. So I have to get this minus 3 away, and I have to get the 6 away. To start with the minus 3, to eliminate it or make it 0, I need opposites. So I'm going to add 3 to negative 3 to make 0. To keep it equal or balanced, because this is an equation, we have to add 3 to both sides. We want to keep things equal. This becomes 0. This comes down. And now I have 6x is equal to 24. All right. Next step. This means 6 times x equals 24. So you can ask yourself, 6 times what number equals 24? You may already know that in your head. If not, we do the inverse. So inverse of multiplying is dividing. And if you do it on one side, you do it on the other to keep it balanced. This would cancel or make 1. So this becomes like 1, 6 divided by 6. So that's like 1x is equal to this. And this gives us x is equal to 4. And let's circle our answer to make it clear. All right. That's a simple one. Let's go down to one with a little bit more steps. Okay. So what about this one? All right. Okay. So let's try this one. Sorry. We're at 4 times x plus 4 in parentheses plus 2x is equal to 52. Okay? I see parentheses, so I want to distribute first. So let's do that. 4 times x is 4x. 4 times the positive 4 gives us plus 16. Bring all of this down. Okay. I'm going to separate my sides. When we combine like terms, I like to just look at each side of the equal sign by itself. So we look at the left side, and then we look at the right side. So on the left side, I do see two like terms, 4x plus 2x, and that gives us 6x. There's nothing to combine with that plus 16, so let's just bring it down. And this is all by itself, nothing to do but just bring it down. Okay. Next thing, we're at the step where we can just start solving with inverse operations. This is a 2-step equation now. So I need to make this plus 16 go away by subtracting it. So let's subtract 16 on both sides. Keep my equation balanced. 52 minus 16 is 36. Equal sign stays in the middle. Bring this down. Now I have 6x equals 36. Last thing, we're thinking of 6 times what gives me 36. Maybe you know that in your head. If not, opposite of multiplying is dividing. This makes 1x equals 6. Because 36 divided by 6 is 6. All right. I hope that helps just a little bit. I'm going to post them to our Math Help Hub.